washing, madam.
You're not finished?
Not yet, madam. I
How
was cleaning the
many?
house.
How many hours you stay here until now you're mapikalas?
I was busy cleaning the house.
Linda, I give your salary good every month, and then you're not good here.
I'm sorry,
You're
madam.
not clean here good.
Let me wash.
You're
my
waste
clothes.
your time, Linda. Linda!
I'm sorry.
Oh my God, Linda! Oh my God, Linda! Hina! You wash! Okay? You wash! I need it now! I need it now! Okay? Within 30 minutes, we need it to dry! Okay?
Okay, madam.
Quickly, quickly!
Okay, madam.
I need it, Linda! Because I go out, okay? I need it now! I need it, okay?
Madam, I'm sorry.
Okay?
I'm sorry, madam.
We are good girls, okay?
Okay.
You do it, Linda! You do it. Linda! You have to stay here 1 hour, mapikalas!
I'm sorry.
You're not finished, Linda!
Almost, madam.
Linda! You're not finished, Linda! You're not finished, Linda! You're not finished! No. That's the good for you, okay? You're not doing good here, okay?
I'm sorry, madam.
That's the good for you, okay?
I'm sorry.
That's the good for you.
I'm sorry, madam.
Go to your country. Go.